Hi, today we're going to interview one of our entrepreneur here in our place. We have here Mom Marcel Reyes. Hi, Mom.
Hello.
And this is only for an interview for our one of our subject. Thus, today I'm going to interview you about your business. So, can you just answer me directly or um, about the question? What kind of business do you run?
Mm, I run a poultry farming business specializing in raising chickens for both meat and eggs.
Oh, that's nice, wonderful. How did you start your business?
Mm, It all started when I was working in a completely different field, but I had always been interested in farming. I started by researching poultry farming extensively, attending workshops, learning from other farmers, and visiting farms. I began small, raising a few chickens in my backyard, and it grew from there. Then the turning point came when I decided to quit my job and pursue poultry farming full time.
Wow.
I invested in a small farm, secured the necessary permits, and I started raising chickens in a larger scale. I gradually built relationships with suppliers and customers, and businesses started gaining transactions.
That's wonderful. What kind of failures did you experience along the way? It means, is there any failures while having or doing your business?
Like any business, I faced several challenges. One of the biggest setbacks was dealing with diseases that affected my poultry early on. So I lost a significant portion of my flock, and I had to learn the hard way about disease prevention and farm management. There was also the financial strain, as the initial costs were much higher than I expected. I had to borrow money, and there were times when I wasn't sure if I'd be able to pay everything back. There were moments about doubt, but I kept pushing forwards and learned from each mistake.
Oh, that's really a problem, a failure, but I see that you have or you are already crossing it. And how did you become successful? Are you successful now or
Slight.
tell me how's you're successful this time?
Success didn't happen overnight. It took a lot of hard work, continuous learning, and reinvesting in the business. I became successful by focusing on quality and customer satisfaction, staying consistent with good practices, and building strong relationship with other customers. I also made sure to adapt to changing market demands, like offering organic poultry and free range options. It was essential to stay flexible and open-minded. Over time, as the business grew, I always hired a reliable team to help with operations, which allowed me to scale and ensure the business ran smoothly. And most importantly, I stayed passionate about what I was doing, which kept me motivated through the toughest times.
Wow, that's really a hard work. Thank you so much, ma'am, for the interview. And I hope that your business will more having leverage and you'll be more successful in time. Thank you so much for for this time for having you in this interview.
Welcome.
So that's all our interview with Ma'am Marcel regarding with her business about poultry.